Welcome to your Google Chrome startup page. Every time that you restart your computer, Google Chrome will open to this page, which is Schoology. You should log into Schoology each day to access your class materials online. To log into Schoology, for your username, you will put in your student ID number. So for example, 1237654. For your password for Schoology will be the same one that you use to log into your computer and to log into Google. Right now, you'll see that my password and username are currently adding themselves in. To get your Google Chrome to do this as well, you're going to want to click on the circle in the top right-hand corner and sign in. So right now, I am signed in. I can see my fcpsschools.net account and sync is on. If you just see a little blank circle here, you're going to want to click on that and log in. That will allow your bookmarks and your passwords to load so that you can easily log into things. And I'll click sign in.